Got my jeans on. They're still really dirty from Laos.
Yeah, the first couple of minutes in Tanarata. The bus stopped us off right here on the main road. There's a tourist information center right next to the bus stop. We just asked where to go for cheap accommodation and she pointed us in the opposite direction. Just down the road there should be something. Right now I think it's quite nice that it's not super hot here. It's actually like, as you see, I would say it's maybe 20 degrees, around that. On the bus it was just super cold, like temperature maybe, I don't know, how much, 16?
Yeah, it was friggin' cold.
Alright, it looks like we have a room. This one is 70. We are late, it's dark already outside and it gets dark after 7. The guy said it gets cold at night, so we don't actually need a fan. We have free Wi-Fi, we have a toilet. The last toilet experience was not the greatest. Yeah, so we stay here for one night for now. Restaurants are right next door, not too expensive. Yeah, now we're gonna find out tour prices and stuff. I think we have to take a tour. So that was the last second. We just booked with these guys our tour for tomorrow, 8:45 a.m. And it's the Moss Forest tour. That includes everything we want to do here. And it was actually not very easy to get money out from the ATM because the first 5 ones just rejected my card and the sixth one, number 6, accepted my card. Yeah, I got money now. Could you say that again, Anna? You're what?
I'm cold.
Cold, yeah, that's different here. It is colder here.
Yeah.
It's actually enjoyable.
Got my jeans on. They're still really dirty from Laos.
Good morning everyone. So we're about to start our tour here in the Highlands and we have just little time. So we just got a quick snack, which is basically, this is a roti. These are 2 rotis and this is, what is that actually?
A normal tosai.
A what?
Tosai.
A normal tosai. Yeah. Yeah, so we are on some, what's this? We're in a Jeep now. Yeah, this is our transportation. We're the first ones on the Jeep. So now we're at our first stop, which is a butterfly farm.
Okay, collect 10 ringgit from everybody. Photo. Fly section, but a lot of butterflies not yet start flying.
Will I know that I have done you wrong? Just give me another chance. Will I know that I have done?
So that was the first stop. Oh, there are scorpions here, by the way. Yeah, that was the first stop. Butterflies, snakes, scorpions, turtles, flowers, all that stuff. Yeah, we just had half an hour to see everything. It was fine, it's not too big. So we drove a little bit and it's a very nice view on the plantations. Yeah, so now we're here at one of the plantations. We were just given a brief introduction and now we have, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes to take photos. So this is the lookout point they were talking about. One side a dense forest, the other side covered in clouds. By the way, our car is waiting down there. You can't really drive to the top of the mountain because there's a radio station. We're allowed to walk down the road. This is probably our jungle trekking experience. Mossy forest around us everywhere. Yeah.
Was it good?
Awesome. Right now up into the officially real mossy forest. So now this was the mossy forest. Yeah, a nice boardwalk through the forest. There are a lot of people here which disappear quite well. Like the boardwalk is pretty long because the interesting parts are just here. And I think I'm almost back at the parking lot now. Now this is the tea factory. Had a small guided tour, took like 10 minutes, and from the restaurant here you have a real nice view of the tea plantations. So I think this is pretty much the end of the tour. We are in the tea plantation factory and museum here. There's a restaurant at the end, and now we're heading back to the car and back to town. By the way, this is our car, a massive four-wheel drive, a Jeep. I don't know if really necessary, some people do it with a taxi. We already bought a ticket to Kuala Lumpur for tomorrow, and right in town center there are tour operators. You can get a ticket for 35 ringgit, but we just went to the public bus station here and the ticket is 22.40, so that's way cheaper. So this is the last morning here in the Cameron Highlands. It's raining. It actually rains a lot right now. Good thing we got the bus at 8:30 to leave this place. The only thing is like we're looking for breakfast now. We all pick basically rotis. What a weather. I'm actually glad that we're leaving. Yeah, the toilets. No. So Tanarata was a nice place. We're stopping for one day. Yeah, apart from the activities, you won't do much in the town. There's not much going on. Well, the weather gets worse. It's raining a lot. We're on the bus. We're leaving this place now. The episode is over.
But the day is just beginning.
Yeah, pretty much. We're going to Kuala Lumpur now. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and follow me on YouTube. And hopefully see you next time. Right, Anna?
Yes.